gameplay, the fun stuff. We have multiple sector control points. Some of them are controlled through flag pulling. We've got Oregon and Washington flags out there, very simple. If your side is taking the position, roll your flag to the top. We also have some T-posts. These are PVC pipes. Blue's up for Oregon, green's up for Washington. If it's level and you can see both, that's neutral. Fix the control point. Don't move the PVC control points. Our admin team will be periodically doing those counts, so just make sure you hold it as best you can.
Shows us around the border of it.
Yeah.
Unless this map is old.
No, they just made that.
No, that's it.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's like... Okay, whatever. Yeah.
It's down that way?
Yeah. It's saying they're down there. They can see the netting, apparently, and it's down that little ravine.
Alright.
Alright, whatever. Fucking if they want to do that.
Yeah, alright. We'll meet you guys. Alright.
Okay. They forgot stuff.
Where are we going? All the way back here?
Be prepared.
Be prepared. Be prepared.
Yeah, we actually...
So we're down this way?
Oh, wow.
Oh, boy.
Wow, Cowhound's trying to fuck us, man.
We're too OP, so he's trying to nerf us.
Oh, boy. Oregon better have some fucking bullshit, too.
Woo! Oh, boy.
Yeah, it's going to be fun to get through.
A lot of guys are going to eat shit at StarDex.
I'm literally the
It ain't gonna be me.
Cool.
Sounded like someone was blowing a load. I didn't see a wipeout on his list. I don't know if you... I thought you had that wipeout extra for auto.
Oh, really?
Maybe you need to just set up.
Or setup. I guess you could set up.
20 rounds, so.
Is there a real cap?
Oh, yeah. It's 20 and 30s.
So how many rounds do you get to do? So you have to disconnect your hose every time you
Pull your pin.
kind of like a pain in the ass.
It's a little bit of a pain in the ass.
I don't hear anything on my end. I got a static deal, but I don't know if that's gonna. Oh, you got a simple radio. But can you listen to two channels that aren't on the mid one? You know what's command pass one.
Fuck out of my ankles.
Yeah. How's that doing this morning?
I feel a lot better. It wasn't all day.
Got like 2 minutes.
If you're not a runner, move to the side.
2 minutes.
Yeah, hey, if you are what they call nowadays plus size, get the fuck out of the way. Or as I call it, fatties, get out of the way.
Like how fat we got fucking...
Anybody above 250 pounds, get out of the way.
Or the cardio impaired getting behind us.
Bro, my weight starts with a 4. I don't want to hear it.
1 minute.
I eat for free at the Heart Attack Cafe, goddamn.
I've heard that before.
Hey, 1 minute, 1 minute!
1 minute!
1 minute again.
This time it's for real.
You know what I forgot to get?
Finish busting your weapon and get back up. We gotta go.
I forgot to get the storm salt. Move up to these storm salt? Smelling salt? Oh, yeah. It'll do like this.
Just put it through and
Thank you. Mag will stay in its place.
I'm just gonna say 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go!
Huh?
Where are we getting fire from?
Straight that way. Chuck it.
Again.
All right. I'm gonna pop up and move in front of you. Okay, you good? All right, moving. Watch it. Hit! Hit!
Is that us?
Is that us? That's right behind us, right there, right?
Yep.
Is that us?
Yeah, I think that's in the kill radius.
Yeah, I think I got blasted in the leg with it. Oh, that's a bummer. That's the second grenade I've died to today.
God damn. Might as well get down so I don't get fucking shot.
They're really trying to go for the double tap, apparently.
Oh, here we go. Look at this.
Well, mine. Careful.
Hit.
We're right in the shit of it.
Yeah, I would get down.
Already hit it.
Oh, sweet.
I'll take that when you're done though.
You'll take one?
Yeah, I'll steal
Go
one
ahead,
from you.
take one.
Okay.
I'll just take that one later.
It's kind of what I've been trying to do. Damn, this is a fucking long one. Thank you.
All right.
Oh shit. All right.
We're near the front with a whole best of people. What's your plan, Riley?
Just watch your head.
How's he going?
Oh,
Back half. Right at another symbol.
Can you hear me, Riley?
Oh, I didn't see that.
Oh, okay. Oh, hold on.
Hold on. Yeah.
just right there will work. I'll wait until you're back in so I don't draw fire to us. You good?
Can you hear me, Riley?
Check your rag.
Let's do it.
Hey, check your cap. Yeah, there you go. Fuck. Shit. All right, I'm bouncing back that way. See clear, buddy. Shit works wonders. Yeah, I can't see shit still.
Go for it. I'm down to one mag, so I gotta sit back here.
Starting to see a lot of fire.
Like that, right where I was standing.
Come on.
Do you see? So there's a guy down this line. Yep, he was there.
Yeah,
Can you tap him?
I can reach him, but just my shots are angling away from him.
Did you get shot? He's still alive?
Still alive, but I'm down to one fucking mag. Everybody keeps fucking dying. They put all the resources on the fucking capital. But I'm pretty sure this dude, it was a fucking slog fest.
Okay. We got.
Yeah, the moment we got up here, they just started fucking lighting everybody up.
Well, we got Creekside.
We got
Hey,
Yeah. Washington.
that just means
50, and we have bunker.
So we got all three. So
Careful, careful.
Watch you coming up!
They're pushing.
where are they coming?
Just shoot into the smoke. Admin, out of the way.
Medic! Our medics are down.
Oops, sorry about. I see one guy going down. One hand up. Yeah, I see him. Rip. All right, he's down. I got left. Just the two. I gotta head back and reload. I ain't gonna do much with just two, with like three mags left. I'll reset anyways. Okay. Be back. Damn. I hate walking uphill.
It doesn't help that it's muddy too. Like,
oh yeah. If it wasn't for that little slop of mud right in front of us,
yep,
that we would have made it to Capitol sooner.
Yeah. Holy hell.
Hey, I heard they committed everything. They're committing everything they got over here, so that means everything around us has less guys on them.
Oh boy. All I'm hearing is we're gonna get flanked probably. Maybe. I want to catch my breath and now I'm pushing.
The washies definitely trying to hold on to that.
Yep. Well, it's a 500-point objective, so I'm not surprised. All right. Well, we'll see you there.
All right. Good luck. Don't die too fast. That was in my radius. That was in the radius.
So close, man. That was right on my ass. I felt that one.
Oh no. Oh.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, I'll be ready to get dragged.
I'm dragging some earth with me.
You're coming with me.
Son of a bitch. Here you go. Oh, you got it back?
I got you.
Oh, I think I dragged some dirt with me.
Hell yeah, that's how we roll around here.
Thanks, guys. That grenade sucked.
Yeah. Scared the
We got like, I think there's like 2 other guys down out there.
Cool.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
fucking turtling down
Hope
here.
you're not broken.
No, I think I got some dirt on me though. I'm good.
All right, are we ready? I'm ready. Smoke out!
Right, that's smoke. Pick up those mags.
Oh, those are mine. Go ahead and use them. You can grab them.
Yo, give Dr. one.
I'm gonna go left.
You want one?
Go. Ethan.
Coming. Got it.
No, you're gonna have to wait.
This has just become a CCT. Hope you're ready. Where's Joe?
Right up there. Left.
Guys, push up center.
Heard.
I'm going for Joe.
I will not be doing it.
Woo! Go! Oh man. Rip. Ah! Help. Help. I'm in a bad spot. Terrible spot, man.
I bet. My flashlight's on. No wonder they know where I'm at.
Well, stop giving away your position, man.
Oh, I can hit that guy.
Boop. Woo. Yes.
Push up, but every time we go, we end up falling back.
All right, he's down. He's down. Fucking camera failed. Huh. Repairing your file. Medic! There you go.
Oh.
Aw, rip. Watch it. I think they got a beat on you.
That was my job.
No worries. It still counts.
Yeah, just
All right.
trying to be quick.
Where's my pouch? There it is. All right. Tree, don't protect me.
Okay.
I gotta move.
If you want to hold it down while I go get him.
Get that guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my buddy. All right.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Fuck. Hold on.
I'm gonna let him reload.
All right, go, 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 go. I got their heads down. I know this is shitters over here. Shit, shit, shit. Ugh. In a minute. Where the fuck did that come from?
Okay, so the 1 hour mark count is as follows.
Frag City, Oregon, Capitol, Washington, Creek, Oregon, Bunker, Washington. It's half and half on the positions.
I was dead before that.
Oh, you didn't kill me. No. I'm trying to find my red rag. It died a while ago.
God damn, that was scary, dude.
Is that supposed to be semi-auto?
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, in the green.
Yeah.
The booty hat.
Yeah.
And the walkers. Hey, check out you. What's up?
Go semi. Go semi, not full.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I just heard
You scared the shit out of me. It's fine.
Got any other red rags in here by
I don't. I have frags, and I got smokes, and I got ammo.
So the casualty collection points, is it like a full respawn or just like remove one bandage?
No, full respawn.
Full respawn? Yeah. Oh shit. I'm scared.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, yours is just right down there. Just look for the Oregon flag and you're set.
Oh yeah, I've been walking by it to reload.
So surprised that I thought it was gonna be like in the past, however, it was just absolute shit show over here.
Yeah, you know, it's been spread out.
Yeah.
You got two people that know the terrain, and we've spread them out enough and given them flexibility to control where their spawns are. So we're learning.
Yeah. Kind of all the things and fun tactics with the